All right, good morning, everybody. Satellite and radar showing some cloudy skies and a few showers and thunderstorms that are beginning to move away and fade away as they do. We'll end up with some sunshine, luckily, by the afternoon and some very humid conditions. Dew points over the next 12 hours are going to be in the low 60s, so you'll definitely feel it on your way out, even as early as this morning. A hairspray day it is indeed. And again, we'll see plenty of sunshine and some very warm temperatures, near record high temperatures expected once again with a record high in Tyler, 85 degrees. We will get pretty close to that, if not at that temperature for some parts of the area. We're expecting temperatures in the middle 80s once again with that south breeze holding on at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. The warm air, the humid air, it's all going to set the stage up for some heavy thunderstorms that could be strong to severe in some parts of the area. A 2 out of 5 risk for severe thunderstorms has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center for parts of the area. That's going to be from Marshall all the way to Palestine and off to the west with an enhanced risk into Oklahoma. That's going to be for Friday evening, and then for Saturday morning and really through Saturday, we're going to be expecting a scattered risk for severe thunderstorms across deep East Texas, and it's really going to be due to this line of thunderstorms and how it moves through Friday evening into Saturday. So it's going to be moving from north to south, and so by the time we get to Saturday, most of the severe activity will be over deep East Texas. It of course does not rule out the rest of us here in East Texas in that 1 out of 5 risk from seeing maybe a couple of damaging wind gusts, maybe some quarter-size hail within that little area there, but the better chance is going to be by Saturday over deep East Texas. Again, we're going to be watching for the possibility for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, 1-inch diameter hail, and yes, there's a chance for maybe 1 or 2 spin-ups that could lead to tornadoes. So let's take you through a future skycast for today. Just a beautiful Thursday. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the low 80s. With a breeze ridden from the south at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. There could be a couple of sprinkles for your Friday morning. Otherwise, it's a mainly cloudy forecast, and temperatures will be starting out very warm once again in the upper 60s. And then we'll have more sunshine for the end of Friday with a couple of clouds and maybe a couple sprinkles. Now, this data set does not show this, but there is another chance for a wave of thunderstorms to come through as early as Friday evening, with the second wave, like this is showing, coming through by Saturday morning with some very heavy rainfall, and it should be out of the picture by the time we get to later parts of Saturday and into early Sunday. So it's going to be a very soggy forecast into this weekend and for the next 7 days, totaling up the entirety of the 7-day rainfall forecast. We could end up with at least 4, maybe even 5 inches of rain. There's going to be a lot of it, and a lot of it is going to be falling over the course of this weekend with those heavy thunderstorms, but the rain chances don't stop there. We have another risk for severe thunderstorms on Tuesday, including parts of East Texas. That's going to be, once again, a scattered risk for severe thunderstorms. So it's going to be pretty widespread. We're going to be watching that very closely. But in the meantime, beautiful forecast for today. Weather impact alert starts the second half of Friday and goes until Sunday morning. And then the rain chances, again, will not stop there. Scattered thunderstorms expected Monday and Tuesday. We're going to be watching Tuesday and also Wednesday closely for our next chance of severe weather.